Look at that, that's Earth and the North Pole entrance right there. But look at the size of those structures. So this is what our planet really looked like from outside, from 300 miles away or 200 miles away. This is a 1979 image of a weather satellite. Let me show you what the deal is. This is one finger. That's another finger. I mean, this is so hard to believe. This is the index. Look at the fingernails. And that's the cylinder deal. There is the so index, middle, ring, and pinky. Gigantic ass hand, my goodness. Look. And it comes the other way too. Look. It comes this way. Oh, this is so sick. It goes in a smaller size. Always depicting the same thing, hand holding the cylinder, and every planet or moon is the same way, always. And this thing, this middle finger, is a hand, look. There's the thumb. And look. And it's holding that cylinder thing. That's the bottom of the cylinder thing. That is incredible, man. And then you will find the same things right here, look. The hand goes this way. Oops, like that. You can see the fingernails. That's how I know those are fingers. Look. That's the index. Right there. Always the exact same thing. This is incredible. Then you have it right here, another one. Look at this enormous square structure that is really a fingernail with a spherical thing on top. It's dark. Well, this is the reverse, so it'll be white. Let me turn the reverse, the correct image. That's the correct image. And that's Alex Collier showing the North Pole entrance. Which is right up here. It has a thing on one side and it's a hexagon too. There's another picture showing from the top down. Can't remember where that photo, but it's an old photo, older photo from the 60s, showing exactly how the hole goes. Oh my goodness. So imagine, that is true that this planet has two entrances, one at the bottom, every single planet is like that. Exactly like that map showing Agartha. It shows that, that's the name, Agartha. And there's a plasma energy in the center right here. They call it the inner zone. But it's, I can find deals about that much, but right up here there are all these tunnels that go from the north to the south pole across the Americas. And the Tallos cave in Bolivia is the solid proof, because there is in Venezuela and Colombia two other caves that have the exact same bird. They call it huacharos. Now the troublesome for me is all this structure. How in the hell we cannot see this as huge as they are? Look at this one down here. Look at that. Then look at that. And that one. Enormous. My God, they're enormous. We can see them. Look at that. That one would be like in the middle of the Atlantic. Then look at this one right here. Look. That's about in Florida, I guess. That appeared to be North America and Central and South America. Look, Florida. No, wait a second, I'm wrong. So this would be the ocean right here, Cuba, right here. This is Central America, South America. And you can see where the North America, there's the West Coast. Then you have the hole right here. The between Alaska and the Russia and Russia. Well, yeah, Russia, and then will be Greenland will be there. New Zealand. It's amazing, man, how we cannot see those enormous structures. That is the hand of the guy holding the stick to show the North Pole. That's Alex Collier in 1996. Well, they ruined his life. He's now divorced, broke, and a broken man. All because he told the truth. He showed every single place where there were bases, underground bases, in Mars and on the moon. How he got information, he said that he knew he had a contact. But then again, that contact didn't help him when the bad shit came about. And you know that back in those days you couldn't talk too much. Phil Schneider got murdered. The other got murdered. A lot of them got murdered. A lot of them. Now it's like they can't keep up with so many thousands of people talking and showing shit. It says that very few knows exactly what the deal is. Very few. That's a sad deal. What they say, become famous and go to sleep and see what happened the next day. All kinds of shit is gonna happen your way. That's a famous say I heard since I was a kid. Become famous and go to sleep and see what happened next day. Oh boy. Bad shit and good shit is gonna happen.